In Chapter 10, we're looking at learning, training and development. Now, learning is obviously very important to organisations, not just in terms of developing their own capacity, but also for their continued competitive advantage. So in this chapter, we're bringing together HR concerns of how to frame and implement learning and training, and OB issues around knowledge management and learning in work organisations. We'll start off by discussing the main ways that people learn, from simple association to more complex learning in a social context, and we'll see how we can use that information to help design training and development and to support learning in organisations. We'll also look at the increasing importance of lifelong learning, that is, how we can keep our skills and knowledge up to date in a fast-changing world, and also how that continuing development is essential to maintaining our professional credibility. In keeping with the theme of the final part of this book, which is all around building organisations that can last, we then move on to the practical side of learning. That is, thinking about how organisations can provide training to employees that meets both the needs of the individual and the future requirements of the organisation. We'll discuss in detail the practical training methods that are available and the impacts that they have on organisational outcomes. And we'll see that, strangely, detailed evaluation of training effectiveness remains rare, even though it's an essential component of effective training implementation. We'll also consider how training and learning have both individual and social aspects. They provide a way to develop skills and to link people together in a community of practice. By understanding the way that individuals learn, we can start to develop organisations which integrate that individual learning into collective learning. And that then leads us into a consideration of learning at the organisational level, including how we manage knowledge for competitive advantage, and also looking at how theorists have approached the ideas of organisational learning and the learning organisation.